Two people start their lives in exactly the same place. Same age. Same job. Same salary. 10 years later, one is constantly worried about money. The other has freedom, choices, and peace of mind. The difference is not talent. It's not luck. It's not income. It's one simple habit. One spends first. The other saves first. Imagine two young people. Let's call them Alex and Ben. Same age, similar family background, same level of education, same first job, almost the same starting salary. No one is rich. No one has special advantages. The only real difference between them is how they handle money from the very beginning. Alex is the type who spends first. Ben is the type who saves first. At the start, this difference seems small. Over time, it becomes life-changing. Alex. Money is meant to be spent. Alex's mindset. When Alex receives his first paycheck, he thinks, I work hard. I deserve to enjoy my money. This sounds reasonable. Alex is not irresponsible, but he follows one unspoken rule. Earn money, spend it. Whatever is left at the end of the month, maybe save it. Most months, nothing is left. How Alex spends money. A typical month for Alex looks like this. Eating out frequently. Buying things based on mood and desire, upgrading gadgets, clothes, lifestyle, going out with friends often. No clear budget. No fixed savings amount. Alex often says, next month, I'll start saving. But next month looks exactly the same. Alex's financial feeling. At first, Alex feels fine. No serious debt. Bills are paid. Life feels comfortable. But slowly, problems appear. After 1 year, no meaningful savings. After 3 years, stress when unexpected expenses appear. After 5 years, constant financial pressure. Alex notices something strange. Salary increases, but savings don't. Money comes and goes quickly. Life feels like an endless cycle of earning and spending. Then, save first, spend what's left. Ben's mindset. Ben earns the same salary as Alex, but his thinking is different. If I don't keep money, it will disappear. Ben doesn't aim to save a large amount at first. He simply follows one rule: save first, spend later. Even if the amount is small, consistency matters. How Ben manages money. When Ben gets paid, he divides his income, living expenses, personal spending, savings, automatic and non-negotiable. Ben tracks basic expenses, thinks before buying, avoids comparing his lifestyle with others. He still enjoys life, but with intention. Ben's financial feeling. Ben does not live a miserable or restricted life. He goes out. He buys things he values. He enjoys experiences. The difference is psychological. Ben feels calmer. He sleeps better. He always has a financial buffer. Money becomes a tool, not a source of anxiety. After 3 years, the gap begins to show. Financial position. Alex. Little or no savings. Stress during emergencies. Occasional borrowing. Ben. Savings equal to several months of income. Handles unexpected costs smoothly. Feels secure. Opportunities. Alex. Wants to learn new skills, hesitates because of cost. Wants to change jobs, afraid of financial risk. Ben can invest in education and skills. Can take calculated risks. Saving doesn't just protect money. It protects choices. After 7 to 10 years. 2 different paths. Alex's reality. By now, Alex earns more money, has more responsibilities, faces higher expenses, but still lives paycheck to paycheck. Feels pressure and regret. Worries about the future. Alex often thinks, if only I had started earlier. Ben's reality. Ben has a strong financial foundation, owns an emergency fund, has capital for long-term goals. Ben is not extremely rich, but money does not control him. He has flexibility. He feels secure and confident. The real difference: habits, not income. The key lesson is simple. The gap is not created by how much you earn, but by what you do repeatedly. Alex spends first, money never stays. Ben saves first, money grows. Even 5 to 10% of income, saved consistently over many years, creates massive differences. Lessons for the reader. You don't need to be rich to save. You need to start, even with a small amount. Saving doesn't kill happiness. It removes unnecessary spending. It increases peace of mind. What savings really buy you: security, opportunities, freedom in the future. Two people, same starting point. One spends first. One saves first. Years later, the difference is not just money, but mental health, freedom of choice, quality of life. Money doesn't change your life overnight, but the way you treat money always does.
Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.